Hello! Welcome to Miss MJ's YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see you here with me. If you live in North America, you might be starting to see some signs of spring. After a few months of winter where everybody was cold and the trees were bare, animals migrated south to warmer places, we are finally seeing some warmer weather and small signs of spring around every corner in nature. In North America, spring officially begins on March 20th and it runs through June 21st. During spring, we see flowers bloom, trees grow their leaves back, and lots of baby animals being born. They're so cute. The springtime is a time when many animals have babies. Over the winter, these animals have been keeping warm and trying to survive the freezing cold temperatures. By the time the spring comes, the food starts becoming available in trees like leaves and berries, or maybe for birds, worms and seeds on trees. These animals are now safe to have their babies because there's enough food for them. Birds fly back to their homes to lay their eggs and care for their babies. Butterflies fly back for milkweed flowers, a type of flower that caterpillars love munching on. Did you know that a group of butterflies is called a flutter? Rabbits are very cute animals that also have babies in the spring. We may see rabbits in the stores as chocolates, candy, or cakes this time of year. That is because they remind us that there are so many beautiful things happening in nature during springtime. Did you know that baby rabbits are called kittens? Today, we are going to make an easy and delicious treat inspired by some rabbits I found at the supermarket. Let's hop into the kitchen to see what it is. Today, we're going to make marshmallow s'more dip. I have some special friends today, some rabbit marshmallows. For this recipe, you can use whichever marshmallows you can find at home. You will need an oven-safe container. Mine is small. It'll feed about 2 people. You can choose your size depending on your household. You're going to need enough chocolate to cover the bottom of your container, marshmallows to sprinkle on top, and some graham crackers for later. We will start by arranging the chocolates at the bottom of our baking pan. Then we will top our chocolates with our marshmallows. Bake for 5 to 10 minutes or until golden on top. Thank you for making s'mores dip with me. I hope you had fun and that you're enjoying this recipe. I'll see you next Friday for our next video. And if you like this one, please like and subscribe to Miss MJ's YouTube channel. See you next time!